How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be pairing a PlayStation 5 controller with an iPhone, and it's a lot easier than you think. If you want to know how to do it, stay tuned. How's it going, everyone? My name is Shayway and welcome to Shayway Tech. I cover lots of stuff in the tech industry, ranging from your basic how-tos all the way up to advanced tech reviews. Today is a how-to video where we're going to be covering pairing this controller to an iPhone. Keep in mind that this requires you to be on iOS 14.5. At the time of this recording, iOS 14.5 is only in beta, so you'll need to download a public beta. If you want to know how to do that, you can find a video below that I did on how you can download the latest iPhone beta. Later on though, once iOS 14 becomes readily available for everyone, as long as you have that installed, this video is still relevant for you. So to make it super simple, we're gonna get right into it. On your PS5 controller, you want to hold down the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. Once you start seeing this little blue blinking light here, that's how you know the controller is in a pairing mode. While that is in a pairing mode, we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone under Settings, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Under that, guys, you will see that it will show up on your phone down here at the bottom as a Dualsense wireless controller. Only thing you want to do is tap that button. So now you see that this is a orange color. That means that these two are paired together and they are good to go. The DualSense wireless controller works with a ton of games already, but there is more to come. Keep in mind, you won't be able to control your phone as if this is like a mouse for it or anything, so it's only going to work in games that supports game controllers. This process also works with the iPad, so it will be the exact same setup. So as long as you know how to press the button combination on here and get it blinking, you'll find it under the Bluetooth settings on your iPad as well. Guys, I know this was a quick video, but I wanted to get it out there and get it out early so that way people that are picking up a PlayStation 5 know exactly how to take advantage of their controller on their iPhone. If you found this helpful, I'd appreciate it if you drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. Guys, until next time, my name is Shayway, and thanks for watching Shayway Tech.